Welcome back to Cars R Us Network, the podcast. And today we're going to be talking about the new tariffs on Canada and Mexico and how they could significantly increase the U.S. car prices with potential hikes up to $12,000. A study predicts a $4,000 increase in the cost to build a crossover utility vehicle and therefore increase the electric vehicles. The U.S. has imposed tariffs, including a 25% levy on imports from Canada and Mexico and 10% levy on imports from China, which could further increase vehicle prices. Currently, average vehicle prices have already risen over 20% in the past 5 years to $50,000, and these tariffs may worsen an automotive affordability crisis. Top executives from General Motors, Ford, and Stellantis have reportedly met with the Commerce Department to discuss the severe economic impact of these tariffs. The increased costs for these tariffs are expected to be passed directly to consumers, potentially leading to decreased production of certain vehicles and models. As this stands right now, I know that this is going to be a big problem for the industry. And when we say a big problem, we mean that a lot of people are not going to be able to afford a vehicle. And a lot of vehicles, like they said, are not going to be in production anymore. So now it's going to come down to what we need and who needs it. Like, in my mind, honestly, I don't think that this is a good idea because a lot of money is going to be lost from the consumer and a lot of money is going to be gained by the retailers. But at the same time, is who's going to be paying this deficit? It's something that we're going to have to watch, and I don't think it's a good idea. A lot of people don't think it's a good idea, but they don't like the way how Canadians have been treated in the U.S., and this is their way of getting them back through the things that they know that people use every single day. And number one being transportation. Transportation is a very high thing when it comes to humans. So by them doing this, they're trying to set a milestone into the sense of like, listen, either you guys deal with us accordingly or everybody's going to feel it. And I'll tell you this right now, cars right now are like ridiculous at this point right now. I've seen vehicles that where people are financing their vehicles for $2,300 a month. And I still don't understand how this makes sense for somebody to finance a vehicle for $2,300 a month with a bi-weekly payment of basically around $700 to anywhere to $1,200. It doesn't make any sense. So imagine this now going even higher. People are going to be losing their cars. People are going to have to sell their soul, basically, literally, to drive a vehicle. Tell us what you think about this and let us know how you think that we could combat this. As more information comes in, we'll let you know what's going on. And to become a sponsor, message us on our website at carsrusnetwork.com. And then somebody will get back to you and we'll be able to drop the prices for your promotions.